Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use medium tanks in World of Tanks Blitz. Medium tanks are the versatile backbone of any team, offering a balanced blend of firepower, mobility, and armor. Mastering their unique playstyle is essential for dominating the battlefield. We'll explore how to leverage their strengths, control key areas, and support your allies effectively. Get ready to elevate your game and become a true medium tank ace. Medium tanks truly shine with their exceptional mobility, allowing you to quickly reposition and execute devastating flanking maneuvers against slower, less agile opponents. Their high damage per minute ensures you can consistently dish out significant damage throughout an engagement. Furthermore, a good view range helps you spot enemies for your team, providing crucial tactical information and setting up advantageous plays. Embrace their speed and firepower to control the flow of battle. Effective tactical positioning is paramount for medium tank success. Always utilize terrain and available cover to minimize your exposure to enemy fire while maximizing your firing angles. Look for opportunities to flank heavy tanks and tank destroyers, exploiting their weaker side and rear armor for maximum impact. Remember to support your team's heavy tanks, engaging enemies from multiple angles to overwhelm their defenses and secure objectives. Smart positioning wins games. To truly master medium tanks, you must avoid common pitfalls. Never engage heavy tanks head-on. Your armor is not designed for brawling. Instead, use your superior speed to outmaneuver them. Avoid overextending alone. Always ensure you have an escape route or allied support nearby to prevent being overwhelmed. Finally, conserve your hit points early in the game. This allows you to remain a potent threat and influence the crucial late-game engagements. Play smart, not just hard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.